The Tales and Tales summer reading program is virtual through Read Squared this year. Earn points by reading and completing missions. Redeem those points for a chance to win prizes. Participants can log their reading, complete missions, and enter prize raffles, all from the Read Squared website or app. So to get started with Read Squared, you can either go to the library's Read Squared page located at this address, cldnjny07.readsquared.com. You can also download and open the Read Squared app, which is free for iOS or Android. But on the website, if you participated in a past Read Squared reading program through our library, you can log in with your username and password by clicking Login in the top right corner. Otherwise, you can select Register up in the top right to create an account. When registering, you are able to register for yourself or as a parent or guardian with other readers. Choosing Myself and Others will allow you to create a master account that can manage one or several child accounts. Make sure to select the correct program for the age of your child or yourself. The Pre-K program is for ages birth to 4 years old. The Children's program is for ages 5 to 12. The Teen program is for ages 11 to 18. And the Adult program is for ages 18 and older. If you're signing up as a parent account, you can choose to sign yourself up for the Adult Reading program as well. The sign-up process will ask you for some basic information like your name and address. And at the end, you'll be asked to create a username and password. When you're done with that, click Continue and you'll be ready to get started. The Read Squared app is another easy way to access the reading program from the convenience of your smart device. Simply go to your device's app store, search Read Squared, and download and open the free app. When you open the app, search DeWitt until it suggests Community Library of DeWitt in Jamesville. Tap our library and then Continue. From there, you can choose to log in with a pre-existing account or register for a new account. The most important thing you can do in Read Squared is log your reading, because reading will earn you points and you can redeem those points for raffle tickets. So from the home screen, navigate to Logging on the left side menu, then click Log Reading. From there, enter how many minutes you read, the book title, and then the author. If multiple readers read this book, you can select them here. Then just press Submit. Logging reading works the same way in the app. Simply tap the left side panel, select Logging, and choose Log Reading. You can also complete missions to earn points. To get to missions, click Missions on the left side menu. There are many missions to choose from. Choose Go To Mission under the mission you want to complete. Tap Complete Now to finish the mission. You can earn a badge and points for each completed mission. Remember to log completed missions under other readers' accounts if they completed them as well. To complete missions in the app, tap the left side panel, Choose Missions and tap Go to Mission under the mission you want to complete. Then tap Complete Now and complete activity after finishing the mission. With the points you earn from reading and completing missions, you can enter prize raffles. To get to the raffle section, click Home up at the top. Then from your home screen dashboard, select Raffle. You can see all the available prizes by clicking See the Prizes. When you're ready to redeem your points, click Get Tickets. Here you can choose which raffle tickets you want to redeem your points for and how many you want to buy. If you have other readers, make sure to redeem their points under their account as well. You can switch accounts by clicking the drop-down arrow under Reader Accounts. Redeeming points for tickets works the same way in the app. Tap the Home button and then tap the icon with intertwined arrows on your dashboard. From there you can tap See the Prizes, and then tap Get Tickets to choose which prizes you want to buy tickets for.